The unanimous decision of this court is that the terms woman and sex in the Equality Act 2010 refer to a biological woman and biological sex.
The UK Supreme Court has ruled the word women in the Equality Act 2010 means biological females only. The court said including people based on gender identity, not biology, would make the law confusing. It stressed that protections like those for pregnancy and safety in women-only spaces only apply to biological women. This case was brought by For Women Scotland, a group that opposes letting transgender identifying people access women-only spaces.
This is the law, and they need to stop pushing faulty guidance into schools and hospitals.
They were concerned the Scottish government's wider definition of women would allow biological men into spaces like women's bathrooms, hostels, and prisons. The court emphasized this ruling is not a win over transgender people.
We counsel against reading this judgment as a triumph of one or more groups in our society at the expense of another. It is not.
Trans-identifying individuals are still protected under the Equality Act, just not under the category of sex. They are protected from discrimination based on gender reassignment.
It just feels as if it's an attack on trans people, even though the judge went out of his way to clarify that it wasn't. It just feels like an attack on trans people and a walk down the road towards Trump's America.
The ruling gives a boost to Prime Minister Keir Starmer's government. Some had expected the court to reject the case and leave the issue to the government. The UK government welcomed the ruling, saying it brings clarity and confidence and affirms its support for single-sex spaces based on biology. For Women Scotland said the ruling protects women and girls but warned many UK institutions still follow self-ID policies. They called on governments and the Equality and Human Rights Commission to act on the court's decision.